Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to test out this cockpit spray. It's a cleaning spray by the brand SONAX. It's quite cheap, it's $2.50 for a bottle roundabout. And it's supposed to be used to be spraying down and cleaning plastic trim pieces in your interior of the car, which can be your dashboards, side panels on the doors, or whatever else you have. Now, I have no idea if this is any good. First time trying it out for me. I normally clean this down with soapy water and then I wax it so it gives you that kind of a shine. But maybe this is good too. Let's do it. Now I'm going to test this out on the top panel right here. It's actually very easy to use. You just spray it down, release this pin. There you go, spray some on. And then let me see if that makes any difference at all. Alright, cool. Now, I don't see a massive difference, but you can see this is a bit more shiny perhaps. A tiny bit. And how long will that shine last? That's a good question. No idea yet. So let's maybe try that on the door panel. So I've done the same on the panel here. This has been sprayed and wiped. This has not. I don't really see a very big difference. Even with the naked eye, I can't really tell. So, I probably wouldn't buy this again. Specialized stuff. Do I find it better than my normal cleaners and wax? Nah, I don't. So, if you don't have anything else, this will do the job just fine. If you do have something else, don't bother.